Guys, I really want chunky dunkies. Let's pray. God, please gift me chunky dunkies. What? Nike SB. So what's up guys, it's your boy Aneeq back again with a banger video. And guys, I hope you like the skit. And guys, without any further ado, let's start the unboxing. So guys, as you can see by the box, they are Nike SB Dunks Pro QS. And guys, they are the, I guess, sneaker of the year 2020 or yes 2020, and in my opinion this is a sneaker of the year 2020. Now it's 2021, but it released in 2020, so it is the sneaker of the year 2020. And guys, they are SB Dunk Chunky Dunkies Ben and Jerry collab, as you can see by the box label. First guys, let's talk about the box. So guys, this is the new 2020 box with rainbow green, blue, red and yellow, and Nike SB written in front, and at the side this is Nike SB again. In the back this is nothing information, Nike and swoosh, and at this side this is the size tag. So guys, see the size tag. So guys, this is Nike SB Dunk Low Pro QS, color white, university gold, black and universite. And guys, the size of it is men's 7 and women's 8.5, Europe 40 and UK 6. This is guys Ben and Jerry Nike SB Dunk Chunky Dunkies. So guys, this is all the box 360. And guys, let's talk about the inside. So 1 2 3, and guys, it's a butter paper with a wood texture. See guys, the texture. The texture is a wood style texture, and guys, it's a soft buttery paper. And guys, this is the first impression. I want to first you see, then I 1 2 3. Ooh. Oh, see guys, see this. So guys, this is the shoe. First guys, pick the left, then the right. So guys, put the box at a side. Now guys, let's talk about this beauty guys. So guys, first let's talk about the right shoe. So guys, the right shoe is come with a Nike tag. As you can see, it's in Chinese. Then it have a green lace and then yellow lace, and they have white lace attached. And guys, the most interesting thing about this shoe is the cow fur. So guys, this shoe, you can see this is inspired by Ben and Jerry's Chunky Monkey ice cream flavor. And guys, it's almost look like it. It's the guys cow print, the sky, and this is guys the dripping ice cream and the garden. And guys, the main part of this shoe is the upper material. So guys, as you can see, it's a guys cow fur material. Let me focus. Yes, this is a guys cow fur material, real cow fur. See guys, it's really soft And guys, the outsole of it is a SB Dunk Cup outsole with navy green and a neon green. And guys, the sock liner is also an interesting thing about it. It's a tie-dye sock liner, guys. And guys, it comes with this accessories, and this is the left shoe. And guys, I wore it 2 times and it's amazing. And guys, now we will talk about the features. So guys, first I wanted to show you the insole. First put the stuffing out, then the insole. So guys, this is the insole. It's a guys SB Dunk insole with some air unit and a foam coating, and it's tie-dye Ben & Jerry's X SB Dunk. And guys, I love this shoe. This is my top 3 SB Dunks. One of the top 3 SB Dunks. And guys, this is beautiful. So guys, it's the time to deattach this. So 1, 2. It's a guys flat lace. This is a green lace. And guys, this is the tag it comes with. So guys, this is the shoe. And guys, now talk about the all this. This is guys leather. This is cow fur material, cow fur, leather, and the sock liner. And guys, see, it have a extra cushioning down here because it's a SB Dunk, so it has to be. And guys, now it's time for B rolls and on foot review. So guys, let's jump right into it. This is it for this video. And guys, I want to show you one more thing. This little tiny hang tag. See guys, it's a little tiny hang tag that I made for my chunky dunkies. And guys, in the back it's chunky dunky Ben & Jerry's Stingray, and this is the Nike SB in rainbow. And guys, I hope you like the review and the shoe as well. And guys, don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification, and share this video and my channel to your friends and family. And I hope you like this video. And guys, if you liked it, make sure to drop a nice comment. And guys, I wanted to tell you that I am dropping 3 videos, one restoring, one life hack part 2, and one how to lace SB dunks. And they are two of them are half completed, one of them are full completed, and I will drop them soon. So guys, turn on the notification. And guys, this I am Aneeq Shams, and guys, subscribe to my channel just Aneeq, and follow me on Instagram, link in description. And guys, bye bye, tata, take care, and I will meet you at the next one. Bye. I also wanted to tell you that I am selling 2 of my shoes. One of them are Jordan 6 Ring Hall of Fame, size 39, and second one is Converse mid top, size 37.5. And guys, the Converse one is I am selling for around 500, and I will negotiate. And the 6 rings I am selling them around 2000 1500, and I will negotiate till 1000. And guys, if you want to buy them, go on my Instagram, DM me, or visit my thrift page, link in the description, as_thrift_shop. So guys, bye bye, peace.